Oh, it's a miracle. I mean, I was almost helpless.
Mabel Macer is 82 years old. At one point, she was taking as many as 17 prescription drugs for pain. Now she just takes her heart medicine and a medical marijuana cocktail twice daily. Mabel didn't like the idea of medical marijuana.
Oh my, I thought that was horrible.
But after seeing media reports, she thought it might keep her out of the nursing home.
If I can find something that will make me quit hurting, I'll take it. And that's just what I'm doing.
Mabel says she's far more lucid now that she's off the narcotics. Before, she could barely walk to her door. Now, she walks around the block. But Mabel's primary care physician expressed concern that medical marijuana would complicate her conditions. In a letter to Mabel, he said if she continued marijuana use, he would have no choice but to dismiss her from his practice.
It is a major challenge for patients around the state to find a physician willing to recommend. Unfortunately, a number of physicians in the state are restricted from providing a recommendation to their normal patients because of where they're currently employed.
Mabel says she's just happy to be herself again.